I'm already full. Alright guys, so if you'd noticed, we're here at Carowinds. So that was the lunchtime with the Peanuts gang. It's a good show, good. It's getting the kids going, teaching kids to eat their food. So yeah, we're just about to go take a look through Camp Snoopy and construction update. Alright guys, see you guys in a bit. Peace. So Amadeo, what did you think of the Peanuts show?
It was really good, you know, got the children entertained and got the adults clapping along too, so it's fun for the whole family, you know? What do you think, Kenny?
It was good. Teaches kids to eat their food, even though parents are paying $20 for it here. Parents don't want to throw it out, so...
Or if they have the dining plan.
Yeah, so, alright guys, the Camp Snoopy looks really nice. I like how they did it. I hope Canada's Wonderland gets something like this. I know they are closing down Dinosaurs Alive, so hopefully they'll put in Camp Snoopy to replace Dinosaurs Alive, and do something with that area.
Or maybe an RMC treatment of wild beasts, you never know.
No, never gonna happen. Sorry guys, never gonna happen. I don't believe that wild beast will ever get RMC'd. Alright guys? But yeah, I hope they put Camp Snoopy where Dinosaurs Alive is. Alright guys, we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Peace.
Peace.
Alright guys, so we're over here by the construction site. And we got a lot more teasers here since last time we were here. So, sorry if I'm going a little fast guys, it's just there's a lot of them. So, looks like they got the station. Looks like they got the station poured, guys. Cement trucks are in here, digging out the footings. Station footings are poured. Amadeo, what do you think?
The new coaster coming to Carowinds. I'm excited, and I'm sure you guys will be excited too if you ever come to visit Carowinds. It's a really nice park.
Alright. Just gonna take a walk over here. Carowinds County Fair. Sorry. So hey guys, so we just rode the Windseeker to look at a better view of the construction, and so they're moving rapidly, it looks like. They have 3 cranes on site, and they're actually digging 3 footings at the same time. So they have 3 drills on site, and they're drilling 3 footings at the same time, and they're pouring them too. So yeah, I'm betting people might here, they might start seeing vertical construction within the next month, maybe. All right, guys, we'll talk to you guys in a bit. Peace. Preparing for Carowinds. Ah, it's a monster.